Very good. Very good.
I did mine.
Okay, we're making lines that go across. Very nice. Yes, that's right, that's right. It's a horizon line.
I did it!
Look at this tree. This one, look at this tree. Lots of branches on it.
That's a beautiful tree.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do with our artwork.
The black raspberry plant.
Right.
And what I did is first I copied off a piece of paper and then I drew it on another piece of paper and then I write it in my book and then what we did is we got a raspberry and we cut all the raspberries.
Very nice. Very nice. Now,
And then I started making it like frisbee.
but how did you do that? How did you do it? Did you look at something while you did it?
Yes, I was looking at the way it looks and the way how it's like frizzy.
Very good. Yeah, you were looking. Okay,
I'm done.
Michelle, what plant is this?
Meadow sweet.
Meadow sweet. And you worked on it a very long time, and it's an excellent drawing.
Now I'm going to color it.
Yes, now you're going to color it. I think we have some time for you to do that. Very good.
It's going to take a long time to make it again. That's why I'm not going to make another one.
Well,
Chris, come down here.
I know, but when
it's okay if it takes a long time, isn't it? So you traced it from an image we found, right?
Yeah.
And then you turned the tracing paper upside down, right?
Yeah.
And you drew from looking at that, right? And then you colored it. Are you surprised at how it looks?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I didn't know I can do it like this.
Right. Christopher, I wanted to interview you. So I'm on film right now. Can you show me the rows that you drew? Okay. But can I see your drawing?
Taking my time.
You were taking your time, bud.
And you helped me.
I did. Did you... Are you surprised at how it came out?
Mm-hmm.
How come?
Because it looks like a rose.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's beautiful.